It's a certified 2019 Jeep Cherokee. You're going to want to take the long way home in this adventurously civilized Cherokee. Features include automatic transmission, manual tilting steering column, streaming audio, rear parking sensors, manual telescoping steering column, doors and push-button start proximity key, AM/FM satellite radio, active grille shutters, wireless phone connectivity, and inline 4-cylinder engine. Edmunds.com reveals the 2016 Cherokee can deliver plenty of off-roading capability, but the bigger story is that it's civilized and comfortable enough to drive to work every day. Journey anywhere in a Jeep. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
At Arizona Car Sales, the price you see is the best upfront price, and you don't have to negotiate for it. Get the car, truck, or SUV you want and experience the Arizona Car Sales difference today.